Martin Garthwaite here. It's a big night. I'm gonna test the isolation chamber, the O-ring, and see if it leaks. So here is the isolation chamber. You can see two polycarbonate hemispheres bolted onto a PVC joint ring with a couple of O-rings in there. We'll see if it leaks. No leaks. That is, put it in for longer, but that is dry in there. Let's see if another color of light's good. That is dry in there. There's drips on the outside, but it's dry on the inside. Alright, here it is in better lighting. I've gotten out and dried off. You can still see some water drops on the outside, but there is not a drop on the inside of that. You can see it roll down there. I have not opened this up and dried it out, but you can see, totally dry. What a relief. You know, sometimes you build these things and they don't work the first time and you got to try again, and I just rather not have to try again.